about the tenses in Bahasa Indonesia, I find only 3 tenses in Bahasa Indonesia if we compare to English. So in Indonesia, I can say that there are only 3 tenses that usually we use in Bahasa Indonesia. So if we listen or you hear the word sudah atau telah, it means perfect tense. If you listen the word sedang, it means continuous. And if you listen to the word akan, it means future. I make here 2 examples each tenses. For example, saya sudah makan. Saya sudah makan. Usually, Indonesian people do not directly mention it is breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So it depends on the time when she is speaking or he is speaking. So saya sudah makan means in English it is very specific. It is lunch, breakfast, or dinner, or supper, etc. Okay, I translate into I have eaten lunch, I have eaten breakfast, I have eaten lunch, dinner, breakfast, etc. I have eaten. Saya sudah makan. Okay, sudah here means perfect. Okay, it has been done. Okay, yeah, dia telah pergi. She has gone. Dia telah pergi. She has gone. Sudah and telah, yeah, they are similar, so they have similar meanings. Okay, yeah, we go on to the second tense is sedang. In English, if in my opinion, in English, it is called continuous tense, sedang. So sedang means progressive, even though it is present progressive or past progressive. Okay, yeah, sedang. Number 1, the example, Rani sedang menonton TV. Rani is watching TV. So if we use is here, is means that it is present continuous. Yeah. Okay, if you say Rani sedang menonton TV tadi malam ketika saya datang, that's past continuous. Rani was watching TV last night when I came to her house. Okay, so continuous means the past continuous or present continuous, that's the same. We use sedang. Okay, the second example of sedang is kami sedang belajar matematika. We are studying math. We are studying math. Okay, the third tenses in Bahasa Indonesia, usually we use akan for future. Okay, mereka akan datang ke sini besok. Yeah, the word besok, it means the present future. Yeah, they will come here tomorrow. They will come here tomorrow. Mereka akan datang ke sini besok. They will come here tomorrow. The second example is Susi akan lulus tahun depan. Susi will graduate next year. Okay, so maybe this is akan. Akan is used for past future. Yes. For example, ketika saya akan datang tadi malam hujan datang. When I would go to your house last night, the rain. Okay. It rained. So in English, I can say that English very specific, and I love English because the grammar or the tense is very specific, related to the time of the situation. Okay, but in Bahasa Indonesia, how about simple present? Simple present usually, if you use the adverb of time like setiap hari, every day, setiap bulan, every month. So specifically in Bahasa Indonesia, it depends on the adverb of time. Saya makan nasi goreng setiap hari. So setiap hari. So we focus on the setiap hari. So if we translate into English, we use simple present tense. I eat fried rice every day. Okay, so the most important thing is the word sudah or telah. If we translate into English, it must be perfect. perfect tense. And if you find the word sedang, it means continuous. Yeah. Maybe it is past continuous or present continuous. It depends on the time signal or adverb of time. And the last is the third tense is akan, the future. Okay, I do hope this topic also will make you understand more about Indonesian language, so that if you love Indonesian language or you have a boyfriend or girlfriend in in Indonesia, so you can talk in Bahasa Indonesia fluently on your conversation. So I'm Gunawan Saribu. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you can you like my topic, and then please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.